I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. If you find these systems a struggle, remember PD Tech offers full-service bookkeeping tailored for NZ trades.
Watch this video to learn how to reset the tax reporting date. In the Fixed Assets Register, click the Overflow menu, then click Settings. Select the Tax Reporting tab. To reset your tax reporting date, click Reset Tax. Make sure you're happy with resetting your tax reporting date, as you can't undo it. Xero reverses all tax and pool amounts and removes the tax and pool information from all fixed assets and asset types. Click Reset to confirm the change of date.